Hey, it's Frankie Cola. This video is for you if you are hooking up with an ex-girlfriend and you want to make your relationship official again but aren't sure how to convince her, but she sends mixed signals or acts hot and cold on you. In this video we'll go through emails from two readers who broke up with their ex-girlfriend in the past but are back in the stage of hooking up. Their ultimate goal is to transition from casually hooking up with their ex-girlfriend to being officially together again. However, whenever they ask the girl about the relationship label, she acts distant and uninterested. If you're in the same situation, you should pay close attention to the next few paragraphs. I have a feeling you'll really resonate with it. Question. Frankie, I'm 39 and my girlfriend of 7 years broke things off 2 months ago. Most of those years were spent living together. Then I did no contact and sought help with a therapist and various items on the internet such as your manual. After no contact, she began to miss me and we started hooking up again and doing dates. However, she is still acting hot and cold with me through text. My therapist has stressed the need for us to attend sessions. And so far my ex-girlfriend has not wanted to attend and continues to point the finger at me. She recently asked how my therapy was going, and I responded fine, but that I can't get much from it unless she attends too. The result of that conversation has her torn about us, and she doesn't believe I will ever change. How do I get her to fight for a relationship back? Thanks, Edgar. And I replied with, Hey Edgar, in what way does your girlfriend say she wants you to change? My advice is to only focus on having fun, hooking up, and doing dates. Without asking her about her feelings, without trying to convince her to get the relationship label back, and without making future plans and treating her like a girlfriend. Her attraction for you is there, but it's kinda low. To make it go back up again, start from the beginning and only focus on having fun and hooking up with your ex-girlfriend. See, when you first start dating a girl, you don't jump right into a relationship, right? Same thing applies here, because her attraction is low, like when you first met. So let her be the one who brings up getting back together and asking questions about what it all means. Also, only do dates about once a week, and in between dates, keep your texting minimal. Creating space is important to rebuild the attraction back up. As men, we sometimes think that we have to do more to raise her attraction level, but that results in crowding her space, and it stops her from regaining feelings for you. So it's important to not over-text her and overwhelm her with texts. When you're in scarcity and she is everything to you, it'll be harder to give her space, and you will have the urge to constantly contact her. But if you focus on yourself, your purpose, passion, career, and you have other things in life besides her, it makes it easier to naturally be busy and not contact her as much. Which is great because you save everything for the date and you make her miss you in between dates. And he replied with, Frankie, my ex only texts after I text. However, hooking up is not a problem. Every time I ask her if she wants to fool around, she goes for it. After each time, we go back to no contact unless I initiate. What the heck is the play here? My reply, Hey Edgar, the play is to keep having fooling around sessions, no more than once a week though, and without bringing up relationship label topics or feelings. Just have fun and hook up, and let her be the one who brings up the relationship stuff. So she never initiates contact? Have you got no contact for more than a week or two? He replied with, Yes, no contact about a week until I see the need to hook up. So then I initiated. Anytime I initiate a text, there's no problem with a continuation chain of texts. If I tell her I love her before our time together ends, she says the same. I might just have to call it quits. I don't know. And I replied with, yeah, that's the thing. If you tell her you love her, that's bringing up relationship stuff. You gotta keep doing what you're doing, but without bringing up feelings or saying I love you. That's the switch you need to make. And as long as you don't feel the need to rush the relationship label, you're actually doing very well. Okay, in the next case study, Luke is in the absolute best position to get his girlfriend back, but he just doesn't realize it. Here is his question. Hi Frankie, my name is Luke. I recently broke up with my girlfriend, and we've been together for about 9 years. She started seeing another guy just before our breakup, and they are together now. But after I moved out of our apartment, she still wanted to see me, and we had sex a few times. She even texted me that she can't live without me. She asked me if we can stay friends, but I said I don't want to be friends, and if she changes her mind, she can let me know and we'll see what we do with it. I'm trying to stay in no contact with her, but it's hard because we still have a lot of financial problems to resolve together. Another day I asked her does she love the new guy, and she said no. She told me that I was her only one true love and she won't fall for anyone else. Could you tell me what chances I've got to get her back? Kind regards, Luke. And I replied with, Hi Luke, the thing is this. You should avoid being friends with her only if the friendship is purely platonic. If you're friends but still having sex, then that's perfect and it puts you on the path to getting her back. When you interact, it should either be handling financial things because that's relevant to your situation, or good vibes, fun, and being playful. Don't ask her about the other guy. Don't ask her about getting back together with her, and don't ask her about her feelings for you. Your goal is to get her to come over for a fun get-together that can lead to sex. Now, once again, if you're hooking up with your ex-girlfriend, you're in the absolute best position to successfully get her back, if you choose to pursue it. Don't think just because the label isn't there that something is wrong. You're actually in a very good position. And here's what to do next. Get my free 7 Dangerous Mistakes ebook, which reveals the 7 sneaky mistakes that stop you from getting your ex-girlfriend back. It's easy to get the free ebook. Just go to xbackebook.com, enter your email, and I'll send it to you. That's xbackebook.com. And that's all for today. This is Frankie Cola, and thanks for watching.